If you like our freshwater salt system, there's one more thing to consider. It's our all-new Freshwater IQ option. It is a winner, and here's why. When it comes to helping you care for your water, it's designed to remove the guesswork that can surround that process and replace it with true peace of mind. You see, Freshwater IQ is our freshwater salt system, and it's paired with a new testing, diagnostic, and recommendation technology that's actually built into your hot tub. And as a result, gives you optimal water. And here's the key, it's done without the guesswork. So this new system together gives you that softer, fresher, more natural feeling water, while also providing you with simple recommendations so you can have the easiest and most optimized soaking experience for the next 20 years. In fact, we believe it's the clarity that this system provides that will further open the door of daily wellness from water to so many more. And yes, there's a caveat. It's only found in a product manufactured by us, Watkins Wellness. It is our exclusive technology. And yet in part, it's largely thanks to our community of hot tubbers who have asked for it. And we're very excited for you to experience it as well. So how does all this work? The engineers who designed this, they actually initially referred to it as lab on a chip. And why is that? Because quite frankly, it's like having a water lab built into your hot tub. I mean, how cool is that? So this patented technology, it actually tests water every hour for salt, chlorine, pH, and then, if needed, tells you exactly what to add, if anything, for that clean, clear water. So incredibly, it not only tests, it also prompts you via messaging on the hot tub's control panel what to do to have optimal water. So what's optimal water? It's what every hot tubber has always wanted. It's water that feels better. It looks better. It lasts longer. It feels gentler on your skin. It's easier to care for. And it prolongs the life of your equipment. And most importantly, it encourages you to use your hot tub more so you can gain all the health and wellness benefits we are all looking for. Sound good? And just to pile on one more second, this is exactly what people have been asking for. It is a true solution that saves you from so much of the what, the how, and how much that's frustrated so many hot tub owners for decades. So with Freshwater IQ for you, it means less testing, less guessing, and far more soaking. It's absolutely revolutionary. And like our freshwater salt system, it can be yours with any of our premium saltwater ready models. So check it out. We think you'll love what you see.